In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create video with NotebookLM AI. This is a simple workflow that turns your existing material into a short, structured video overview. The key is to start with good source content, because NotebookLM builds the video from whatever you provide. Begin by opening NotebookLM. Once you are on the main screen, look for the option to start a fresh project. Click the plus icon, then choose Create New. This creates a new notebook where you can collect your materials and generate outputs from them. Next, you will add your content. In the Sources pop-up, upload your files or paste links. You can use documents you already have, like notes, articles, PDFs, or other reference materials. If you are using links, make sure they point to content you have permission to use and that the pages are accessible, since blocked or restricted links may not import correctly. If you upload files, try to keep them clear and readable. Clean formatting and well-organized text helps the system interpret the information more accurately. After your sources are added, take a moment to confirm that the notebook shows the materials you intended to include. If the wrong file is uploaded or a link is incomplete, it is better to fix it now, because the quality of the video overview depends on the sources. Now move to the right side of the interface and navigate to the Studio panel. This is where NotebookLM offers different creation tools based on your sources. In the Studio panel, select Video Overview. This option is designed to summarize and present your source material in a video-style format. Once you have Video Overview open, click Generate. NotebookLM will start processing your sources and assembling the overview. Depending on how much content you provided, this may take a little time. While it generates, it is helpful to stay focused on whether your sources cover the main points you want included, because missing context in the sources can lead to a thinner summary. When the generation finishes, you will have your video overview created from your uploaded files and links. From here, you can review the result and make sure it matches the material you provided. And that covers everything you need to know.